gummy testing out too.
It might bust back out. It's talking about the rain tomorrow.
Yeah, and also we're gonna have this glue. Okay. We're gonna have this glue. The back from Elmer's. I tested this before, but I couldn't really get to finish it because I got in trouble because I cannot make slime at that time, but now I can make slime. It says clear glue, Elmer's washable clear glue. Look, we also have puppinettes. And we have gummy bears. And look at my new shoes. They're cute and swag. Comment your music name below in the comment box, and I'll put mine in the description down below. So I'm about to do the part 2 of me testing out my stuff because I'm almost home, as you guys can see. I won't let you see the extras. I won't let you see the signs, but I'll let you see the like grass.
I'm not gonna have it good. But I had to make that shit, man.
Stop sign. Yeah, that was not school, but peace out. See you guys in part 2.